Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a transaction history on Lloyds app. So unfortunately you cannot delete or clear your transaction history on the UK banking regulations that requires bank to retain financial records for several years. As a result, all transactions remain visible in your account history. While you can remove transactions, you can manage how they appear, search and filters. Use the app search function to locate specific transactions by name or account. Spending insights. Utilize the spending insights feature to categorize and analyze your expenditures. Download statements. Access and download your statements for personal record keeping. If you are seeking a fresh start, consider opening a new account. However, be aware that your previous transaction story will remain accessible in your old account. So that's pretty much all thing about how you can actually delete the alloys transaction history. So it's not possible through that regulation of United Kingdom. So thanks for watching. Till next time.